Hi friends! Welcome to Bright Steps Kids. Today, we are learning how helping out makes everything more fun. Look at all these toys. That's right. Mom is here with the toy box. It's time to clean up together, team.
Goodbye, friends! See you next time on Bright Steps Kids. Don't forget to help out today.
What a beautiful day of helping. When we all work as one, cleaning up is so much fun. Time to hug goodnight and sleep tight. You did a wonderful job helping today, little helpers.
1, 2, rake the leaves! Working together is a breeze. Yeah! High five! Teamwork makes the dream work. Look how clean and safe our room is now. And Zayd places the napkins perfectly.
Thank you, boys. Grandpa is so proud of you.
Way to go, Zayd! 2 blocks at a time. Even Milo the cat is helping out. Now we are in the kitchen. Dad and Grandma are setting the table for dinner. Let's see how we can help. Great job, Omar. Picking up the cars first is a super start.
Oh! Uh-oh. Having toys all over the floor can be a little dangerous. We don't want anyone to trip.
Hooray! The yard looks absolutely wonderful! High five, team!
Careful hands, Omar. You're doing a wonderful job carrying the cups.
Outside in the fresh air, Uncle Kareem is collecting the fallen leaves. Let's make the garden beautiful.
Look outside. The moon is shining bright, saying goodnight to all of us.